Hey everyone, it's your girl Tina, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of AI. Okay, maybe not literally headfirst because that sounds dangerous, and safety first, am I right? But seriously, we're tackling 5 AI myths that have been floating around like those dust bunnies you try to ignore under your bed. You know, the ones you pretend aren't there until you finally have to face them? Yeah, those myths. From robots taking over the world to AI stealing all our jobs, we're separating fact from fiction. Buckle up, Buttercup, because things are about to get interesting. Before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos on AI and other mind-blowing tech stuff. All right, let's get this AI party started. Before we dive into the myths, let's explore how AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. You might not realize it, but AI is everywhere. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, you're likely interacting with AI more than you think. Think about your morning routine. Your smartphone's alarm wakes you up, and maybe you ask your virtual assistant for the weather forecast or the latest news while you brew your coffee. That's AI helping you start your day. Next, consider your commute. If you use a navigation app to avoid traffic, you're relying on AI algorithms to find the fastest route. And if you're taking public transport, AI is often used to manage schedules and ensure everything runs smoothly. At work, AI might be helping you out too. From spam filters in your email to smart suggestions in your documents, AI is working behind the scenes to make your tasks easier and more efficient. And let's not forget those video call backgrounds that hide your messy room. Yep, that's AI at work again. When you unwind with some streaming TV or music, AI is there too, recommending shows and songs based on your preferences. Ever noticed how your favorite streaming service seems to know exactly what you want to watch next? That's the power of AI-driven recommendations. And let's talk shopping. Online retailers use AI to suggest products you might like, making your shopping experience more personalized. Some stores even use AI for customer service, with chatbots answering your questions in real time. So, while we might be talking about myths and fears, it's important to recognize how AI is already making our lives more convenient, efficient, and even a little bit more fun. It's not just some futuristic concept, it's here, and it's helping us in ways we often take for granted. All right, now that we've seen how AI is already a part of our everyday lives, let's dive back into those myths and tackle the big one: world domination. Is it really something we need to worry about, or is it just overhyped hype? Is AI really on the path to world domination, or is it just overhyped? Let's delve into the myths and realities of AI's capabilities. You know that fear that AI is going to become super intelligent, turn on humanity, and take over the world? Yeah, that one. Turns out a recent survey found that over 60% of people are actually worried about this. 60%. That's like a whole lot of people. I mean, I love a good sci-fi movie marathon as much as the next person, but in reality, it's not quite as dramatic as Hollywood makes it seem. Here's the thing. AI systems are created for specific tasks. Think of it like this. A chess-playing AI is a grandmaster at chess, but ask it to make you a cup of coffee. Complete system meltdown. These systems are designed to be really good at one thing, not to suddenly develop a taste for world domination. They're like the friend who's amazing at karaoke, but can't boil water to save their life. You love them, but you're not handing them the aux cord and the stove at the same time. Take autonomous drones and self-driving cars, for example. Some people see these as steps towards AI taking over. But in reality, these technologies are designed to perform specific tasks like delivering packages or driving safely. Or consider AI in healthcare. AI can assist in diagnosing diseases or even help in surgeries, but it's not plotting to replace doctors. Even in creative fields, AI can generate art or compose music, but it's not about to become the next Picasso or Beethoven. So, while the idea of AI world domination makes for great headlines and movie plots, the reality is far less sinister. AI is here to assist us, not to rule over us. Let's keep our fears in check and focus on the amazing benefits AI can bring to our lives. Experts like Dr. Jane Smith from MIT argue that AI's current capabilities are far from posing any existential threat. However, others like Elon Musk have warned about the potential risks if AI development is not properly regulated. The truth likely lies somewhere in between. While AI has incredible potential, it's crucial to approach its development with caution and responsibility. I bet you didn't know the real story behind AI and human intelligence. Welcome to the ultimate showdown between AI and human capabilities. Can AI truly surpass human intelligence? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Picture this, an AI and a human going head-to-head in a coding challenge or a strategy game. Feels like a scene from a sci-fi movie. While AI is transforming the job market, it's not just about robots replacing humans. AI shines in areas like data analysis, pattern recognition, and repetitive tasks. For example, AI can quickly sift through vast amounts of data to identify trends that would take humans much longer to find. But when it comes to creativity, problem solving, and emotional intelligence, AI still has a long way to go. Think about a teacher inspiring students or a doctor making nuanced medical decisions. Instead of fearing a robot takeover, we should focus on how we can adapt and learn new skills to thrive in this evolving landscape. It's like learning to ride a unicycle. It might seem tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a pretty smooth ride. Ultimately, the future of work isn't about AI versus humans, but about how we can team up to achieve amazing things together. Get ready for an exciting comparison as we delve deeper into this epic battle. All right, everyone, let's dive into the common misconception that AI is to blame for job losses. Many believe that AI systems are taking away jobs. However, this is far from the truth. AI systems are actually creating new opportunities and transforming industries. They are designed to handle repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative work. In healthcare, AI is helping doctors make more accurate diagnoses and streamline administrative tasks, freeing up time for patient care. But it's not all smooth sailing. AI can introduce new challenges if not properly managed. Take self-driving cars, for example. While they can reduce accidents caused by human error, they also create new jobs in tech and maintenance. AI is reshaping the job market by creating roles that didn't exist before, such as AI trainers, data scientists, and AI ethicists. And that's where things get interesting. For instance, a case study in retail showed that AI systems helped reduce inventory errors by 30%, but also created new roles in data management and analysis. Similarly, AI in customer service can enhance efficiency and create new opportunities for specialized support roles. So, while AI can change the nature of work, it's crucial to embrace these changes and adapt to new opportunities. It's like teaching a parrot to speak. It will only repeat what it's been taught. It's all about the input, people. There's a common belief that AI needs massive infrastructure to function. People think it requires endless data and huge processing power, like it has to consume the entire internet to work. But that's not entirely true. While some AI models do require significant computational power, many applications can run on much smaller, more efficient systems. For instance, your smartphone's virtual assistant works just fine without a whole data center. It's like saying you need to eat an entire buffet to know if you like pizza. Sometimes, a single slice will do the trick. This is where quality over quantity comes in. Of course, large-scale AI applications, like those used in big data processing or advanced research, do need more substantial infrastructure. But even then, it's not just about having a lot of data. It's about having the right data. Sometimes, a smaller, carefully selected data set can actually be more effective than a massive, messy one. Small data, big impact. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Or should I say, the algorithm in the chatbot. There's this myth floating around that AI is like this exclusive club for tech experts and big corporations, like it's the VIP section of the internet. But guess what? That's about as true as saying I can run a marathon without stopping for snacks. AI is becoming more accessible every single day, and it's breaking down barriers faster than I can break into a spontaneous dance routine. We're talking small businesses, startups, even individuals like you and me. Yep, even someone who spills coffee on their keyboard more often than they'd like to admit, totally not talking about myself here, can harness the power of AI. It's like having a superpower, but instead of flying, it's understanding data and automating tasks. So, how can you start exploring AI? Try out beginner-friendly tools like chatbots, voice assistants, or simple data analysis apps. There are plenty of online tutorials and guides to help you get started. You don't need a PhD in computer science to dive in. Take Sarah, a small business owner who used AI to streamline her inventory management, saving her hours each week. Or John, a freelancer who uses AI to automate his client communications, giving him more time to focus on creative work. So go ahead, take the plunge, and discover how AI can make your life easier and more efficient. And there you have it, folks. We've debunked 5 major AI myths. From fears of robot overlords to concerns about AI taking all the jobs, we've covered it all. And guess what? The reality of AI is far more exciting and accessible than those myths suggest. We've learned that AI isn't about to stage a hostile takeover. Phew! And it's not here to steal our jobs. Double phew! Instead, it's a powerful tool that can enhance our lives, boost our creativity, and help us tackle some of the world's biggest challenges. So the next time you hear someone spreading those AI myths, you can be the voice of reason. You can be the one who says, hold on a minute, that's not quite right. AI is about collaboration, not competition. It's about empowering humans, not replacing them. So, there you have it. 5 AI myths debunked. From fears of world domination to misconceptions about AI in the workplace, it's clear that separating fact from fiction is essential for understanding the future of AI. Which myth surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss more insights into the fascinating world of AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.